Week number 1. Create and launch a microlanding page. To create and launch a microlanding page, the first thing you'll need is a single clear goal for the page. You aren't building a full website. This is a focused landing page with one action for visitors to take. The most common goals for a microlanding page are capturing leads, promoting a specific product or offer, or directing traffic toward a limited time event. Decide what the primary action should be for visitors. It needs to be singular, something they can't avoid seeing, and it should align with your larger business objectives. Once you have a clear goal, move on to the messaging. Your headline needs to grab attention immediately. It should be clear, compelling, and tied directly to the action you want the visitor to take. Keep it concise but powerful. Avoid vague language or anything that doesn't directly contribute to the goal. Your subheadline can add supporting detail, offering a quick explanation of the value visitors will receive by taking the action you're asking for. The shorter the copy, the better. Microlanding pages work because they don't overwhelm visitors with unnecessary information. Keep the focus tight and centered on the specific action you're driving. Next, you'll need a strong call to action, CTA. This is the most critical part of the landing page. The CTA must stand out and tell visitors exactly what to do. Use active language like get started, claim your offer, or download now. The button itself should be prominent, with contrasting colors that draw attention. Place it above the fold, meaning it should be visible without visitors needing to scroll. If the page is longer, you may repeat the CTA further down, but avoid clutter. The goal is to make the path to conversion as simple and frictionless as possible. With the headline and CTA set, it's time to address the body content. Keep it minimal. Focus on the benefits, not features. Visitors don't care about the specifics of your offer as much as they care about how it benefits them. Use clear, outcome-driven language. If you have supporting visuals like product images or icons that can explain the benefits faster than words, use them. Make sure the layout is clean and uncluttered, with plenty of white space. Every element on the page should support the action you're pushing for, or it shouldn't be there. Trust signals are a powerful addition to microlanding pages. These can include testimonials, ratings, or guarantees. If you have a relevant customer quote or endorsement, include it. Even a simple money-back guarantee or trusted by 5,000 customers can ease hesitation. Trust signals act as a psychological nudge, reassuring visitors that taking action on your page is a safe and smart decision. Once the content and layout are solid, test the page's mobile responsiveness. Many visitors will land on your page using their phones, so your microlanding page needs to load quickly and look great on mobile devices. Make sure the CTA is easily tappable, the text is readable, and the images are responsive. If your page doesn't perform well on mobile, you're losing out on a huge portion of potential conversions. The next step is tracking. Use tracking pixels or analytics software to monitor how visitors are interacting with the page. You'll want to know where they came from, how long they stay, and what percentage of visitors are converting. If the page isn't performing as expected, these insights will help you make adjustments. Even with a microlanding page, testing and optimization are crucial. A/B testing different headlines, CTAs, or layouts can make a huge difference in conversion rates. Now, get the page live. Whether you're using a website builder like WordPress, ClickFunnels, or a more advanced setup, get the page published and start driving traffic. If you're running ads, make sure the ad copy matches the tone and offer of your landing page. Consistency between your ad and landing page helps keep the visitor engaged and more likely to convert. Use a dedicated URL or subdomain that's easy to remember and looks clean, which adds another layer of professionalism to your landing page. Once the page is live, monitor its performance. You'll know fairly quickly whether the page is doing its job. Watch the conversion rate and traffic sources. If you're driving traffic through paid ads, keep an eye on how much you're spending versus how many conversions you're getting. This will tell you whether the page is optimized for ROI or if you need to make adjustments. As you continue to get data, be prepared to iterate. Microlanding pages aren't static. You can always refine the headline, CTA, or even the body content based on how visitors behave. If you're noticing a high bounce rate, try simplifying the content even further or improving load times. If visitors are scrolling but not clicking, you might need a stronger CTA or a different offer. Optimization is an ongoing process that can significantly improve results over time. By the end of this process, you'll have a functional microlanding page live and optimized to capture leads or promote an offer effectively. You've built a streamlined, high-converting page without overcomplicating things, and you're driving traffic toward your chosen goal. Keep an eye on the analytics and continue to tweak the page as necessary to maintain its performance.